Okay, because this paper is a little firmer, I'm going to attach the ribbon on the inside, and then I've cut some small pieces of the same color that I'm going to cover up the end of the ribbon with. So I'm going to do this with double stick tape, and I'll just put a little piece of the double stick in there. It doesn't want to stick. And then stick it to the ribbon, and then again to a piece just to sort of hide the ribbon, like that on one end, and then you do it on the other end also. Repeat it. A little bit of double stick. There's my ribbon. Maybe I'll stick it to the ribbon first. And then just a little piece of the same paper, making sure the tape doesn't stick out there. And that will hide our thing. Now, you can, to send it or to give it, you can take the ribbons and wrap them around the opposite way and tie it up like a little gift. Tie that up as a little gift, and that can go right in an envelope. And then when they open it, and it makes a beautiful star decoration. If you tie the two ends together, you get a beautiful star decoration.